Hey my peeps, let's make a cute mini Easter cupcake using this mold I got from Amazon. I will leave the link if you are interested in getting one. So make sure when you use this mold that you press it down really good into those crevices. And when you're doing the topper part, like the cream part, make sure that you don't just shove it in there. Thin it out a little bit so that it fits into the tip of the icing part. I let mine dry overnight just so it could be firm, and because the clay is dry, I am putting some tacky glue on it just to glue it together. But you're gonna see that the edges don't meet, but that's okay because I'm gonna cover it with sprinkles, and I'm gonna use a hot glue to do that. So you're just gonna go all around and just, add some sprinkles to it. Make sure you press them in real good. And this sprinkle mix is an Easter sprinkle mix. It got chicks, it got ducks, it got eggs, it has flowers, it has all kind of Easter. It's an Easter mixture that I made up. But I got the sprinkles from Play Code 3. I could leave a link for that too. Or just look for it up in my in the links I have on my in the featured section of my page, and you will find the links to coupon codes. So I got this cute little bunny ear cabochon, and I want to put it at the top. But it's hard to just stick it up on there, so I'm going to hot glue it onto a toothpick. And then I'm going to take that and insert it into the top of my cupcake. But I'm going to add a little bit of the tacky glue to the top. Make sure that the topper doesn't come off. Doesn't that look cute with the little rabbit ears? So now I'm going to get some more tacky glue, and I'm going to put it on the icing part of the cupcake. And then I'm going to take my brush and I'm going to spread the glue around evenly. Make sure I coat all the whole part of the icing. And then I'm going to get some chunky glitter. Just some clear chunky glitter. And I'm going to just sprinkle the top. I was going to pour it on there, but then I thought about it and I was like, let me just sprinkle it on top, because I didn't want to pour the whole jar. It didn't make no sense. So I'm just going to sprinkle, I'm just going to add the glitter to the glue, the tacky glue that I put on there. And that's it. We're going to be done with this. It's a cute little mini cupcake. Look how cute. And you can just make as many as you want. Hope you like it and you make some. Talk to you soon. Bye.